So today we are going to interact and interview none other than Miss Universe Harnas Sindhu, who has made us proud, India proud. Every woman is proud of her. I'm super proud of her. So let's find out what she's doing and let me catch her and find out more about that. Hi Harnas, first of all, thank you so much and tell me how are you?
Hi Neha, I'm good. How are you?
I'm feeling so proud that moment, I'm having a goosebumps. That a lady who has made India proud, universal. The universe in your hand. So Hanaz, I'm missing your this crown. Where is your crown? I want to see in that crown.
Well, wait for the crown a bit more. It is in New York with team, and when I will be coming back officially, you will see me with the crown, and it is very beautiful. But let me tell you an important part of that the crown comes with a lot of responsibility, and the
Yes.
one she realizes the power of responsibility. So I'm excited to start my journey, and surely you can witness the crown then.
Okay. So Anas, first of all, I wanted to know when you clicked in your mind, yes, I want to be into this career, a modeling career, how it just started. See, in our childhood, we always have a craze of, we'll do this and that. So how focused you are, how it happens to you in your life. I just want to know about that.
Well, this all happened accidentally in my life. I never expected this to happen. But I was just 17 of the age when I realized that this is something which I like to do, and I just kept on exploring my hidden talents with the support of my family. I realized that I love doing acting. I love doing modeling and love to be a part of Beauty Passions, through which I want to inspire people about something which I believe in and my vision. And it got clearer every time when I was getting closer to it. And I think, yes, this happens anytime in your moment when you come out of your uncomfortable zone, you realize that this is what you want to do. And once you realize that, you become unstoppable.
So how, like, first time when you told your parents, I want to be into modeling career, how supportive they are, and we can you can just share your thoughts when you were going for auditions, because it's not easy. Once you get the crown, people think, oh, it's a glamorous win, but the hard work which actually goes behind it, it's very, better than than us, right?
Absolutely. Even this year, when I myself thought I wasn't ready to participate in Miss Diva, my father and my mom were the ones who made me realize that this is your time to shine, make the most out of it. It's now or never. And I think after winning the national pageant, when I came back for the homecoming, I realized how people have broken their stereotype mindset towards beauty passions. They realize that it's not about looking beautiful. It takes a lot of efforts and courage to have that strong personality with confidence, with smile on your face, taking all the pressure, and to be focused towards bringing the difference in the society. And it's as difficult as Olympic. So
Hana?
I think I really
Yeah.
broke that stereotype in my community.
Haraz, you were a naughty child, you remember? Or just like a girl who always focused on study and very studious? What kind of a child you were?
I was very shy and introvert girl, to be honest, but I always loved participating in extracurricular activities. Like in my college days, I started doing theater,
Wow.
started playing badminton, chess, and all the extra activities which I wanted to do, because I believed that I could balance my studies and my practical subjects very well. So I wanted to do something new, something extra. And that is something which I've learned from my mom. You know, she's a doctor. She has beautifully balanced the professional and personal life, and she's versatile. And that's something which made me realize that I also want to do something like her.
No, so it's keep going. So I just want to know when it was, whatever, like, whenever we dream, we want to meet this person or idol of your life, or, in front of the mirror, you keep, doing kind of roles, as face banate or something. Is something is in your mind always, okay, I like this, I want to be like this. Kuch aisa tha? A actor or your idol? Who
But
inspired
I always,
you?
yes, I totally get your question. Well, I always wanted to be a lawyer
Oh,
or an I and all of like that, because my grandpa was a lawyer and MLA. And I love the way how he was putting so much efforts regarding the issues and talking about that, and just helping people and serving the community. And that's something which comes in, that is something added in my values, and I wanted to do something like that. But as I grew up, I realized my talents, I realized my interest, and I felt like this is the way I want to inspire people and serve my community and my society. So this is the best way possible for me to do that, and I do definitely enjoy it.
So who's your favorite actor and actress from your childhood, or a crush you can talk about from Bollywood industry?
Shah Rukh Khan is definitely my favorite actor
Oh,
because
great.
his work and his attitude on screen and off screen, he has been an incredible artist and a human being. And in actress, it's Priyanka Chopra. Apart from being beauty queen, she has been a wonderful person. She has made her own brand, opened her own restaurant, and she has done incredible work in singing, acting, and whatnot.
So what next after this, You had your time, your relaxation, have your full rest. So how is this going on? Your all schedules after winning Miss Universe. I know a lot of work pressure will be there, responsibility on your shoulder.
Absolutely. I think it's not easy. It's not only about looking glamorous, it's about having a beautiful mind. You are focused and you know what you want to do in your life, and to take the responsibility on your shoulders. So I just came out of my quarantine. I'm interacting with you, sharing my experience, and I'm so excited to start my journey now.
Have you visited any time Hyderabad, or you have some memories of this? You can share about it.
I have not been to Hyderabad yet, but I'm very, very excited to come, especially to try veg biryani. I've heard
Oh.
it's, and I'm sure that's happening anytime soon.
Okay, and what about the cinema? As you said, you love acting and you are a cinema lover. Have you tried watching any Telugu movie, or you can talk about some actor or actors you must have seen their work, or you are aware of it?
Well, whenever I watch movies, trust me, language has never been the barrier. For me, it's about the concept. For me, it's about the script, the moral and message, and the entertainment perspective. So, I do watch a lot of movies from different cinemas of different backgrounds, like Bollywood, Telugu, Hollywood, or Bollywood movies, and I just come up with a conclusion of what was the main message of it and how that influenced me.
Any movie you can share you remember you watched last time, or actor or actress skills, from South?
South, not exactly to be
Okay.
honest,
But actor
but
name or actress name, you're aware?
I'm
You love
sorry.
their work?
I really, really appreciate, because for me, a talent should be recognized on the basis of his or her acting, or
Yes.
their talent, and that has always been my utmost.
And if Harnaz, if you get an offer from Telugu industry, will you be ready?
Well, I think it's too soon to say that. I'm still not over to celebrate this big victory and start my journey with Miss Universe organization. But whatever happens, I'll show you update.
So next, because mostly, the thing is that, after this Miss Universe, mostly, offers start coming from Bollywood for acting. So how you take that?
As I told you, it's too soon to say anything, because every decision that I make in my life should be very wisely and thoughtfully taken. And I will make sure that I take my family's advice too,
Yes.
whereas they know that in the end of the day, I'm the one who is going to take the decision, but I still want to know their viewpoints regarding the projects and everything that is going to come up in my life. So
And and
stay
her
tuned.
and Harnaz, I want to know three things that you want to do after winning Miss Universe. You literally missed, for a long time. So three things you want to do now.
Firstly, I want to go to Golden Temple
Very good.
and
Yeah.
take the wishes of the Almighty. Secondly, I'm going to go and try some buttermilk lassi of
Oh
Amritsar.
wow.
I'm so excited to meet my pet dog Roger and all the stray animals that I have been closely sharing a bond with them. So this is what I'm going to do firstly, and after that, I'm sure it's going to be a roller coaster.
And what about the food? What food you missed a lot? You didn't had from long time.
Right. I think I definitely miss Rajma Chawal and Makki di Roti Saron da Saag.
Okay. You love cooking, Harnaz?
I do love cooking.
So if we talk about now Harnaz, if you define yourself in a one way, how you define yourself now at this point of time, a one line for yourself.
Harnaz, who was original, calm, and a girl who believes in bringing back the Nas.
So, it was a big interaction with Miss Universe Harnaaz Sindhu, the first interview in ABN Andhra Jyoti. Keep watching ABN Andhra Jyoti.